Move on over Fido and let me get inside. I just broke the cookie jar, I think I'd better hide. Ma, she didn't find it yet, but I know she will, in that empty stove box that I forgot to fill. Oh me, oh my, I wish I was a bird so I could fly. Grandma's here to spend the night, but she won't help me out. Caught me melting crayons on the percolator spout. I can't even talk to Pa, cause he's feeling rough. He said that Ma and Grandma poured out all his drinking stuff. Oh me, oh my, I wish I was a bird so I could fly. Uncle Zeke and Jed, but neither one's around. They both left this morning and they ain't got back from town. Fido, when it's dark tonight, tell you what I'll do. I'll slip out and milk the goat and I'll divide with you. Oh me, oh my, I wish I was a bird so I could fly. There's something here that hurts my leg, and it must be your pan. No, it's just them fishing worms in Pa's tobacco can. Here comes Ma around the house, she don't see me yet. That long hickory in her hand could hurt me where I sit.